Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from the class Mechanical Engineering. We are here, we want to explain to all of you about electric arc furnace.
But first, we want to introduce ourselves. Let's start from me. My name is Hoyer Rizal, and then
And my name is Kansar Kiposan.
My name is Fadimas Gaga Pratama.
let's check this out. Introduction. The bessemer and the open heart are used to manufacture the large demand of steel furnace. However, for the supply of special high alloy steel, other methods are used which are of higher quality. This method include the electrical furnace. Next, the history of our furnace. First furnace was made in 1907 by a Frenchman, Paul Héroult. The first commercial use of electrical furnace was started in USA, United States of America, and the cost of establishing was less and mini mill started flourishing throughout Europe.
What is an electric arc furnace? An electric arc furnace is a furnace that had charged material by means of electric arc. An electric arc furnace is heated up 108,000 degrees Celsius by electricity that is generated through electrodes. This furnace is used for heating melting point alloys such as iron and steel. This method is mainly used to reseal steel. Money part, water-cooled panel, steel mill, vertical top glass, ladle, electrodes, slam door, respiratory heart, rocket trigger, electrode marsh. Mode of operation. Scrap metal is delivered to a scrap by located next to the mill shop. The scrap is loaded into like bracket baskets with slam head door for a base. The scrap basket is taken to the mill shop. The roof is sewn off the furnace and the furnace is checked with scrap from the basket. After charging, the roof is swung back over the furnace and meltdown comments. The electrodes are lowered onto the scrap and arc is struck, and the electrodes are then set to bore into the layer of cell and at the two of the furnace. Time of 6 to 10 hours is required to produce a melt, which can be cured by tilting the furnace.
Advantage of electric arc furnace for steel making. The first, the primary benefit of this is the large reduction in specific energy per unit weight, required to produce the steel. The second, another benefit is flexibility. And the third, EAS can be rapidly started and stopped, allowing the steel mill to vary production according to demand. What an electric arc furnace looks like this here. And just that for me. Below, that is introduction for me.
Sorry if any mistake.
Thank you for watching.
This video.
And wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.